Hello everyone, it's 7th January. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. The first page we have EC says it has constitutional duty to bar foreigners from voter rolls. Again, very important for policy perspective. Then we have Indian embassy hired Trump aides firm for talks on trade bilateral ties during Operation Sindoor. Again, very important for defense perspective. Then we have objectionable slogans against Prime Minister Shah. JNU files police complaint. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have petition filed in High Court against Kerala University land aligned to AKG Center. Again, very important. Then we have ISRO calls for proposal from Indian scientists to analyze data from Aditya L1. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have rethinking India's skilling outcomes. Again, very important for employment perspective. Then we have privatization and policy gaps threaten India's public health system. Again, very important for health perspective. Going forward, we have Manipur government transfers Bishnupur explosions probe to NIA. Again, very important. Then we have Chief of Army Staff highlights modern warfare in UAE talk. Again, very important for defense perspective and international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have Education Minister releases 55 volumes of literary works. Then we have trade unions urges centers to increase EPF and ESI cap. Again, very important. Then we have sufferers of poor AQI contribute to the problem too. SC on air pollution. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have Ministry of doubling auto PLI allocation to 5,800 crores. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have Venezuelan Parliament swears in Rodriguez as interim president. Again, very important. Then we have US takeover of Greenland would mark end of NATO. Then we have China bans dual-use goods export from Japanese military. Then we have at least 35 killed and 1,200 held in Iran's economic protests. Lastly, we have Hadi killed due to political vendetta. Charge sheet names 17 people, says police. All these things are very important for international business perspective. Then we have the sustainability dialogue page where we have KE Paranur in Arunachal Pradesh to become India's first bio-happy district. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have using treated wastewater is key to easing the pressure of fresh water in Chennai. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have shoddy waste management should be blamed on lack of proper mechanism, says experts. Again, very important for environment perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye. Take care.